Hey everyone, it's Mike from Mike's Bloggity Blog, and I've partnered with the Calgary Foundation for a social good project. They have an amazing website called the Community Knowledge Centre, and you can log on anytime and browse hundreds of nonprofits all across the city. I took a look at the CKC site and found some of my favorite. One of those is the Calgary Sexual Health Centre. Let's take a look. We're here at the Calgary Sexual Health Centre with the CEO, Pam Krause. Thank you so much. How are you doing?
Great.
Good. So tell me, the Calgary Sexual Health Centre has been around for more than 45 years, but what does it do?
Well, the biggest thing that we do is sexual health education in schools. So every year we reach over 10,000 youth in junior and senior high school, and really we're teaching them about sexual health, sexuality, and really importantly about healthy relationships. We've been doing that work since 1975 in Calgary schools.
And so is it coming into schools or can people come here?
Most of the work in that program is in the schools themselves, so we partner with about 65 schools a year in Calgary. And then an extension of that program is our Wise Guys program. So we started that in 2010, and it's a full year program for young men, and again about sexual health, sexuality, healthy relationships, but we also really delve into masculinity, which is an issue we have found is a serious issue for young men in their lives, and so we're helping to deal. The biggest thing that happens with these young men over the course of a year is they find a safe space, and they have a group of people that they really feel like they can talk to. Many young men talk about letting down their masculine figure when they walk into that room and then having to put their mask back on. So it's a really sacred space for them, and it's helping them to feel and to learn how to be in healthy relationships with whoever they're with.
It's such an amazing program.
Yeah,
So we talked about youth. What else does the Calgary Sexual Health Centre do?
Well, I think the other great big thing that we do is our training center. So we train professionals all around Calgary, Alberta, and in fact now in Canada. Since 2009, we've worked with about 22,000 professionals. And really what we're trying to do in that program is make people comfortable with talking about sexual health with their clients. We find there's still lots of stigma. People feel uncomfortable, and that really gets downloaded onto the way people treat their clients. Through our training center, you learn great skills and tools, and so that way you can be more comfortable and be that person that is a safe person for people to talk to.
So is that something companies can bring you guys into their office and work with their staff?
Absolutely. We've had some great relationships with corporate Calgary and public institutions, the Calgary Fire Department, many other institutions, and then of course community-based agencies.
And what's ahead for the next 45 years for the Calgary Sexual Health Centre?
The next 45 years, I'm hoping that we deepen our impact, and we're really looking at scaling. So we're working on scaling the Wise Guys program, looking at doing our comprehensive sex ed program around Alberta. I see a role for us far into the future as people learn about healthy relationships, and that we'll be that support that's always safe and people can ask us anything.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for all the work you do.
Thanks, Mike.